Forget everything you think you know about robot vacuum smearing dirt across your floor. Eufy just engineered a mop that self-cleans 9 times every single second while it works. So first thing first, let me set the stage here. The eufy Omni C28 from today's video partner is essentially built on the foundation of the X10 Pro Omni, which was already a fan favorite, but eufy took that proven formula and leveled it up hard. Vacuum Wars ranked the eufy Omni C28 in the top 20 overall and number 1 in the $300 to $600 category of best value. The C28 also improves over the X10 with a better roller mop technology, a superior anti-tangle system, more suction power, dual side brushes, and a completely improved self-cleaning system. The biggest upgrade is the Hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop system. Now, I know roller mops are not exactly a new concept, but what eufy is doing with this one is genuinely different, and here is why. The roller mop applies 10 newtons of downward pressure to actually lift dirt off of the floor instead of just sliding it over it. But the real magic is what happens during the cleaning process itself. 24 precision water jets are continuously rinsing that roller while it works. And get this, the roller self-cleans 9 times every single second, 9 times per second. That means the dirty water is constantly being pushed into a separate wastewater tank rather than getting spread right back onto your clean floor. If you have ever watched a robot vacuum smear a coffee stain across your hardwood instead of picking it up, you know exactly why this matters. The C28 is specifically designed to prevent that secondary contamination problem. Now let us talk about something that I know is a big deal for a lot of you, especially those of you with pets or long hair in your household. Hair tangling in robot vacuums is basically a universal frustration, right? You pay all this money for convenience and then you spend 10 minutes every other day picking hair out of the brush roll. Eufy heard the complaints and they built the dual spiral detangle brush system to address this directly. Here's how it works. You have got dual swing arm roller brushes that actually close together during cleaning, which means no gaps, no missed spots. The design guides hair towards the center of the brush rather than letting it wrap around and knot. Then when the robot heads back to its dock, the brushes reverse direction and open back up, and the high power suction system pulls all of that collected hair down into its dust bag. The result is a claimed 100% tangle-free performance on both the main brush and the side brushes. You also get dual side brushes on this thing, which gives you about 1.5 times wider edge coverage compared to setups that just have one side brush. And speaking of suction, the C28 is pushing 15,000 pascals. This is a serious number for this price range. It automatically detects when it rolls onto carpet and boosts suction to go deep into the fibers, pulling out embedded dust and debris that lighter vacuums just cannot touch. And on hard floors, the roller actually lifts up about 10.8 millimeters, so it does not drag dirt around while it mops. That detail right there shows that eufy really thought about the full cleaning cycle, not just one part of it. Now let's talk navigation, because nobody wants a robot bumping into everything. The C28 uses iPath 2.0 laser navigation with a top-mounted LiDAR system and a line laser for obstacle avoidance that actually works in any lighting condition. So whether your living room is bright or you are running this thing in the dark at night, it is mapping your space accurately and planning efficient cleaning routes without constantly getting confused. Now, the base station handles all of the maintenance, automatically too. It empties the dustbin, washes the mop roller, and dries everything with 50 degrees Celsius hot air, so you are not dealing with any type of musty smell. Now, the dust bag holds up to 75 days worth of debris, so you are really not touching this thing often. Now, here is the value angle that I think makes this whole conversation worth having. The eufy Omni C28 sits at the $500 to $600 price range. And at that price point, the roller mop technology alone puts it ahead of the competitors that cost the same or more. Compared to dual spinning flat mop designs, the roller system handles heavier messes and actual liquid stains in ways that flat pads simply cannot replicate. And the anti-tangle performance is on par with machines costing significantly more. Bottom line, if you have been looking for a robot vacuum that genuinely cleans rather than just shuffles dirt around, handles hair without becoming a tangled mess, and mops your floor without spreading contamination, the eufy Omni C28 is absolutely worth your attention. Links are in the description. Go check it out, like literally right now. Drop your comments below. I'm CJ and I will catch you in the next one.